Number 40, integral dx over x squared times square root of x squared plus 4. So what's the clue in this integrand? That tells us which technique we could possibly use. Something squared plus something squared. Which technique is that? Trig sub. So we set up a triangle. I've been saying, if you've been following along the series, if you don't know how to set up this triangle, please go watch my crash course in trig sub video. Okay? We got to substitute everything in this integrand in terms of y, so we can get x by 2 tangent y, because tangent y is x over 2. Okay? Dx is 2 secant squared y dy, and then we can substitute the square root term as well. How do we get that? That's just secant y. Or 2 secant y, sorry. Okay, secant y is secant y is square root term over 2, so 2 secant y is square root term. Okay, so we substitute everything. That's this step right here. Now we start simplifying. There's a 2 on top and there's an 8 on bottom. So 1/4, we can pull it out in front because that's a constant. We would just have secant on the top because 1 power would cancel from the 1 power on the bottom and the tangent squared left on the bottom. Now, how do we solve this trig integral? Well, you could probably do it in the secant and tangent domain, but I changed everything to cosine and sine. So the secant y, I changed to 1 over cosine y. And the tangent squared on the bottom is cosine squared on top, sine squared on the bottom. So clearly you can see 1 power of cosine would cancel. So we are left with this. Now, hopefully, you see we can make a substitution. Let u be sine y, du is cosine y dy. Okay, so we just have 1/4 integral du over u squared. Now this is just the power rule, minus 1 over 4u plus c. We got to back substitute twice though. What is u? U is sine y. Okay, now what is sine y? We got to look at a triangle. Sine y is x over square root of x squared plus 4. So that's what I did over here, back substituted. Okay, that's my final answer. And if you check, or if you ask Wolfram Alpha to differentiate this, we'll get back the original integrand. All right, that's how we know this is the right answer. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. The big clue again, hopefully you see the pattern you're following along this entire series, something squared plus something squared, likely a trig sub could work. Hopefully you see in the next video as well. Bye.